everyone, welcome to Weekly Current Affair Quiz. Let's start today's quiz. First question is, which authority in India has introduced new guidelines to combat greenwashing? Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Central Pollution Control Board, Central Consumer Protection Authority, or National Green Tribunal? The correct answer is option C, Central Consumer Protection Authority or CCPA. The CCPA in India has introduced new rules to stop companies from making false environmental claims, a practice called greenwashing. The goal is to protect consumers from being misled by advertisements that make untrue claims about how eco-friendly a product or service is. Next question, what framework does the Sendai framework succeed? Kyoto Protocol, Hyogo Framework for Action, Paris Agreement, or Agenda 21? The correct answer is option B, Hyogo Framework for Action. Natural hazards such as earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or tsunamis can trigger disasters when coupled with vulnerability and inadequate measures to mitigate their impacts. These disasters affect millions of people worldwide each year. Next question, the Nobel Memorial Prize in Economics is also known as Nobel Prize in Economic Sciences, Bank of Sweden Prize in Economic Sciences in memory of Alfred Nobel, Central Bank Nobel Prize for Economics, or Nobel Foundation's Prize in Economic Studies. The correct answer is option B, Bank of Sweden Prize in Economic Sciences in memory of Alfred Nobel. The Nobel Memorial Prize in Economics has been awarded to Daron Acemoglu, Simon Johnson, and James A. Robinson for research into differences in prosperity between nations. The three economists have demonstrated the importance of societal institutions for a country's prosperity, the Nobel Committee of the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences said. Next question, what is the theme of India Mobile Congress 2024? Future of Telecom, Future is Now, Telecom Revolution, or Tech for All? The correct answer is option B, Future is Now. PM Modi is set to inaugurate the inaugural Telecom Standard Conference organized by the UN's International Telecommunication Union on 15th October 2024. The conference, known as the World Telecommunications Standardization Assembly, occurs every 4 years and influences the development of communication technologies globally. Next question, what substance do Dragon drones release? Gas, thermite, water, or oil? The correct answer is option B, thermite. The emergence of Dragon drones has been a significant development in the Russia-Ukraine war, with both sides using these weapons. These drones release a molten metal that burns at 2427 degrees Celsius, creating devastating effects on the battlefield. Next question, what caused the auroras in Leh? Meteor shower, geomagnetic storm, lunar eclipse, or earthquake? The correct answer is option B, geomagnetic storm. A spectacular display of auroras lift up the skies over Leh Ladakh due to a severe geomagnetic storm on 10th October 2024. The event was triggered by a powerful coronal mass ejection from an X-1.8 solar flare that occurred on 9th October. Next question, which shipyard constructed the Samarthak vessel? Cochin Shipyard, Mazgaon Dock, L&T Shipyard, or Goa Shipyard? The correct answer is option C, L&T Shipyard. The Indian Navy launched the first indigenous multi-purpose vessel Samarthak at L&T Shipyard, Kattupalli. This vessel marks a significant step towards self-reliance in maritime defense under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. Next question, who was the acting High Commissioner of Canada expelled? Patrick Hebert, Stuart Wheeler, Sanjay Kumar Verma, or none of the above? The correct answer is option B, Stuart Wheeler. India has expelled 6 Canadian diplomats, including the acting High Commissioner Stuart Wheeler and Deputy High Commissioner Patrick Hebert, instructing them to leave by 19th October. The expulsion follows Canada's targeting of Indian diplomats and allegations against India regarding the killing of Hardeep Singh Nijjar. Next question, where did the Super Heavy booster land during the SpaceX relaunch mission? Ocean platform, launch pad, space station, or Indian Ocean? The correct answer is option B, launch pad. SpaceX achieved a significant feat by successfully catching the Super Heavy booster on its launch pad arms called chopsticks just 7 minutes after liftoff from Boca Chica, Texas. This event marked the first time SpaceX recovered a booster directly on the launch pad instead of ocean platforms. Next question: where was the IAF World Space Award ceremony held? New Delhi, Rome, Milan, or Paris? The correct answer is option C, Milan. ISRO chief Dr. S. Somnath received the IAF World Space Award in Milan, Italy, recognizing the Chandrayaan 3 mission's success. Chandrayaan 3 achieved a historic landing near the moon's south pole on 23 August 2023, making India the first nation to do so. Next question: which organization designated October 15 as World Students' Day? UNESCO, World Health Organization, United Nations, or International Red Cross? The correct answer is option C, United Nations. World Students' Day is celebrated on 15th October, honoring Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, India's 11th president and a renowned educator. The United Nations designated this day to commemorate his contributions to education and his inspiration to students worldwide. Next question: which phase of missile flight does THAAD intercept? Launch phase, terminal phase, mid-course phase, or re-entry phase? The correct answer is option B, terminal phase. The US has deployed the THAAD missile defense system to Israel to strengthen its defense amid escalating tensions with Iran. This action follows Iran's missile attacks on Israel recorded on 13th April and 1st October 2024. Next question: what is the primary agenda of the 23rd 𝐠𝐲 Summit? Security issues, trade and economic cooperation, political alliance, or environmental policies? The correct answer is option B, trade and economic cooperation. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has arrived in Islamabad to participate in the 23rd �SCO Council of Heads of Government meeting. This summit, hosted by Pakistan on 15th and 16th October 2024, focuses on economic collaboration, trade, and regional security within the �SCO framework. Next question: what is the primary objective of the Proba 3 mission? Study Earth's magnetosphere, simulate an artificial solar eclipse, monitor interstellar winds, or map Mars' surface? The correct answer is option B, simulate an artificial solar eclipse. The European Space Agency's Proba 3 mission will launch on 29th November 2024 aboard ISRO's PSLV XL rocket. It will arrive at Satish Dhawan Space Center on 21st October 2024. This mission aims to create an artificial solar eclipse to enable detailed studies of the sun's corona. Next question: which institution will lead the Centers of Excellence for Healthcare? 𝐸MS Delhi, IIT Ropar, IIT Kanpur, or none of the above? The correct answer is option A, 𝐸MS Delhi. The center announced the establishment of 3 centers of excellence in AI, focusing on healthcare, agriculture, and sustainable cities on 15th October 2024. 𝐸MS and IIT Delhi will lead the COE for healthcare, while IIT Ropar in Punjab will focus on agriculture and IIT Kanpur will handle sustainable cities. Next question: what is the primary method of West Nile virus transmission? Bird bites, mosquito bites, direct contact, or contaminated food? The correct answer is option B, mosquito bites. Ukraine is facing a severe outbreak of the West Nile virus with 88 cases and 11 fatalities since July 2024. Health officials warn the virus spread could continue due to warm weather driven by climate change. The virus is transmitted through infected mosquitoes, typically during warmer months from June to September. Next question: which region has significant concentrations of multidimensional poverty? North America, Europe, Sub-Saharan Africa and South Asia, or Australia? The correct answer is option C, Sub-Saharan Africa and South Asia. The International Day for the Eradication of Poverty is held annually on 17th October. It aims to promote understanding and dialogue between people living in poverty and wider society. Next question: what does the Euclid mission aim to study? Dark matter and dark energy, exoplanets, black holes, or star formation? The correct answer is option A, dark matter and dark energy. The Euclid Space Telescope, launched by the European Space Agency in 2023, released its first images of the largest 3D cosmic map on 15th October 2024. The map features over tens of millions of stars in the Milky Way and around 14 million distant galaxies, revealing new cosmic structures. Next question: which state is the top wheat producer in India? Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, or Rajasthan? The correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. The Union government announced new minimum support prices for 6 Rabi crops for the 2025-26 season. Wheat, the second largest crop in India by area, saw a 6.59% increase in its MSP, now set at Rs 2,425 per quintal. Last question: Pali was recently recognized as a classical language, modern language, sacred language, or national language. The correct answer is option A, classical language. PM Modi will attend the Abhidhamma Divas and Pali language recognition celebrations in New Delhi. The event is organized by the International Buddhist Confederation with the Culture Ministry. Abhidhamma Divas marks Lord Buddha's descent from the celestial realm to Sankisa in Uttar Pradesh. So that's all for today. Do share your posts and reviews about the program. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.